Welcome back to the Mental Pick channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to handle your clearance stickers, like yellow stickers like this, like you see on these packages. It's related to the liquidation events. Let's say this one specific is gonna be Tesco, and you know exactly how Tesco liquidating inventory when they dropping the prices massively. They're putting stickers, yellow stickers. It looks like, you know, like all looks the same, these yellow stickers, all the time basically. And obviously we're having some issues when you need to sort it, clean it, and obviously when shipments are in creation mode to the Amazon FBA. See, we got variations of pink ones, we got variations of green ones, these 3M products. All of this pile is with yellow clearance stickers. Quite huge pile this is. We got some small toys, again loads of them with yellow stickers. We got bigger ones, again with yellow stickers. Most of the time it's gonna be added on barcodes too, because they need to hide that area, because when they're scanning they need to scan exactly this yellow sticker. And we got big boys like this, big Lego sets. All of them got yellow stickers too. So all this pile is with the yellow stickers, so it's massive amount of Lego liquidated on yellow stickers. And I'm gonna show you what exactly you need as a tools to clean it, to scrape it, or whatever you necessary to have in your Amazon FBA journey. So start is gonna be really easy one. What you need is just basic scraper. You can use credit card or whatever you got in your wallet. I got this one like this, you know, like I think it's B&M, some trade point card. Obviously you can use that to scrape these corners, you know, to pick it up the corner, let's say, or whatever you need to avoid nails or your fingers, to use that. Another one good tool is going to be heat gun. This exactly is hair dryer. So it's small, very cheap, about 5 pounds, maybe 8 pounds. You can purchase that in any retailer store. So really cheap option. You don't need industrial. Trust me, in this position of these activities to take stickers on, you don't need industrial. Standard cheap hair dryer is enough. Liquids. What liquids I'm using, let's say, for my stickers to peel it off easily? First option is always good, like this one, universal lighter fluid. Clipper, 100 milliliter. So basically it's highly flammable stuff, but it really works fine on these situations. Another option is, which one I love it, basic Gugon liquid. You can buy in bottles like this, in bigger bottles, in sprayers. There is lots of variations. Just Google that, Gugon, and it's gonna pop out huge amounts of options what to choose to purchase, like Gugon. And I think I'm gonna do some experiment. Let's say I'm gonna use these two liquids, and we're gonna check which one is the best option right now when I'm gonna peel off all this inventory. I think it's gonna help you a lot to understand which option to choose. Let's say you don't need to have both of them. One is enough, and all the rest tools like scraper and hair dryer is fully enough for this situation. So I'm gonna start, let's say, with this one option, universal lighter fluid clipper. Basically, let's say we're gonna use lighter fluid for pink ones. Yeah, so we're gonna put some liquid on it. Just no need a lot, just a little bit, you know. You can see the difference when it's enough. So this one is too much actually. Like you see, it's wet as hell, a lot. So this one, just a couple of drops again, and like you see, it's absorbing straight away. That's the point of this. They absorbing really deep, these stickers, and later on you can peel it off really easily and without leaving no issues on packaging itself. So we're gonna do that, let's say, for a couple of options. So this one is gonna be a third one. Yeah, so 3 is enough for our little experiment. And Gugon, we're gonna use, let's say we're gonna use green ones. Gugon needs just a couple of drops, maybe just one. And another one. Again, absorbing really quickly, like you see. and obviously third option. So I'm gonna play for you guys little experiment, and we're gonna see which one works better. But like I said, both are good. Both are good. So basically, I'm gonna leave for a couple of minutes, maybe 5, maybe 10 minutes. You can leave for 1 hour. It's not a problem. With 1 hour, it's even better. But don't go over the hour because it's gonna be dry. When it's dry, it's again sticking more to the packaging. Needs a little bit to be wet, a little bit, not a lot, but just a little bit. So let's wait and come back after that. Basically, I'm gonna take this Trading Point credit card, whatever that is, and just gonna start scraping. So this one is gonna be first one, lighter fluid, and let's check it how it goes. All right. Yeah, it works straight away. So after about 2 minutes, it works straight away. So it's really nice outcome. Nice outcome. I'm not using a lot this fluid, so really interesting for myself to check how it is. And looks like I love it. Looks like I like it a lot. This situation, and looks really nice. So it works. What's left? Nothing. No colors, nothing. So really works fine, this option. So really happy with this one actually. Like, yeah, maybe I'm gonna use more even that stuff. So let's check Gugon. Gugon still wet as hell. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Don't use too much. It's 1 drop is enough. Yeah, so still wet. So I'm not sure. Looks like could be Gugon working a little bit slower than liquid fluid, but yeah, looks like there is some sticky parts in it. It's not absorbed so quickly, so it needs a longer time to hold that. Yeah, looks like for Gugon needs some time. It's not so fast like this other option. How about another one? Is it gonna work or not? Yeah, so it's the same, like you see some stickers sticking these materials still on it. So it means it's not absorbed properly yet, and 2 minutes wasn't enough. Like I said, I like to leave it for more minutes, Gugon, you know. And yeah, looks like I'm gonna use that one. It's much faster, reacting really quickly, this option. I'm a little bit surprised, but Gugon is really well too, stuff. Just leave it a little bit longer, not 2 minutes, but maybe, like I said, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, like that. Maybe 1 hour sometimes you can, and it's really peeling off really quickly and easily, that stuff. So this is how it looks. So I'm gonna start using this one, so basically on everything. So let's do that. So liquid is on all inventory. Everything is done. So I did universal lighter fluid because looks like it's working better than Gugon, because Gugon needs to wait a little bit. This one straight away, so that's good. So another one, like I said, hair dryer is really a nice tool to have, really cheap for 5 pounds, whatever price is, whatever you can get. So let's check it. Can it be done much quicker even on top? So it's quite hot right now, so let's peel it off and see, is it going even quicker? So yeah, it's very easy, this one gone. And this one just very similar. Very similar. So this fluid is crazy one. So it's really similar, guys. So looks like you don't need any hair dryer. You don't need that if you're using fluid. This liquid fluid for lighters. So ridiculous. Wow. Wasn't expecting actually, because I'm not using that a lot. Just a couple of times I was using that, because some guy was recommending on our Facebook group. So that's good. Really something new for myself. This one Gugon, but it's left for about 15-20 minutes. Peel it off crazy good. So that's what I'm saying. With Gugon needs to leave a little bit to absorb it in it. It really works well, but liquid is straight away. It's straight away crazy. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Just peel it off, everything. So all of this outcome basically Kugon second place, and Universal Lighter Fluid first place, guys. First place. So obviously hair dryer third place. Nothing good in it. Just sometimes, you know, this one, I don't know, you can use that or not. Sometimes it's good to scrape it. So point of this is works really well, surprisingly. So happy with this option. I'm gonna use that more often. And check this out. This is pile, all this pile from all of this inventory done. So what I'm gonna do now, just pack it into the Amazon FBA boxes, and it's gonna be shipped to Amazon FBA warehouse, and it's gonna be sold on Amazon FBA. This is how we run business. If you want to do similar, we're running private group, call it Mental Picks Discord channel. You can join us. We're providing online arbitrage leads, retail arbitrage leads, plus professional guidances related to Amazon activities. We got huge guide posts related to VAT refunds, how to handle your shipments, all the rest. Very, very informative stuff. Join us. You're gonna love it. So thank you for watching this video, and till next time.